What's up guys, it's Adora from Funimate, and for today's tutorial I'm going to show you two simple different ways to add sparkles to your edits. First we're going to go into the editing screen, and if you see this blue button right here on the sidebar, you're going to click that, then click GIFs, and you're going to type in minimal sparkles. This is going to bring up a variety of options to choose from. I recommend choosing an image that is black and white like this one or this one because it'll blend easier. And you're going to fit this image full screen, extend it however long you want, then go to blend, and you can either choose add or screen. As you can see, add is going to make the stars or sparkles look brighter, while screen makes it look a bit dimmer and smaller. I'm going to choose screen, and this will be the finished effect of the first way to add sparkles to your edits. I'm going to delete this, and the second way is if you look behind here, I've already added a video layer background as a clip. Now you can find these on YouTube or Instagram, like an account called Video Overlays, if you don't want to use the Funimate ones, and you can simply use the Funimate effects to use them the same exact way. Now you're going to put your image over them, and then you're going to go to blend and put either add or screen. This works the same as the first way. Add is going to make the stars or sparkles a bit brighter, while screen makes them dimmer. For this I'm going to put add since they're smaller, and as you can see it works the same exact way. I hope these two different ways to add sparkles and whatnot to your edits works. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you enjoyed.